If your shorts are getting 20 views, 200 views, or they explode for one day and suddenly die, it's probably not because your content is bad. It's because you don't understand the one system YouTube never clearly explains. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn exactly how the Shorts algorithm works in 2026 and how to make it work for you. Most creators think the algorithm decides whether a short goes viral before it's uploaded. That's completely wrong. The algorithm doesn't judge your video. People do. The algorithm simply watches how people react and keeps asking one question: should I show this to more viewers? That's it. Every short starts with a very small test audience. Sometimes it's just dozens or hundreds of viewers. YouTube doesn't care if you have 10 subscribers or 10 million. Your first viewers are your audition. If they respond well, YouTube sends the video to more people. If they don't, distribution slows down. Notice I didn't say the video dies, because a short can come back days, weeks, or even months later if YouTube finds a better audience. That's why deleting videos too quickly is often a mistake. Here's the part that shocks most creators. Views are not the metric that makes videos go viral. Several other signals matter even more. The first is swipe rate. Imagine someone is scrolling. They see your short. Do they immediately swipe away, or do they stop? Those first 1 or 2 seconds are everything. That's why your first sentence matters more than your ending. Instead of saying, "Hey guys, welcome back," try something impossible to ignore. I tested the YouTube algorithm for 30 days. I lost $10,000 making this mistake. Don't buy this until you know this. Curiosity stops thumbs, and stop thumbs create opportunities. Next comes watch time. Not total watch time, percentage watched. If people watch nearly all your short, YouTube becomes much more confident recommending it. Then comes rewatches. Did viewers watch it again? Maybe they missed something. Maybe they wanted to verify what they saw. Every replay tells YouTube your content has more value than it first appeared. Now here's where most creators accidentally kill their own videos. They focus only on making content, not making viewers stay. Think about every second of your short. Is something changing? The visuals, the camera angle, the captions, the pacing, the zoom, the music, the emotion. Static videos lose attention. Movement keeps curiosity alive. Your editing isn't just making videos look better, it's giving viewers another reason not to swipe. Then there are interactions. Likes help, comments help, shares help even more. But one signal is incredibly powerful: saves. When someone saves your short, they're telling YouTube, "I want this later." That's a huge quality signal. So instead of ending with like and subscribe, end with something worth saving. Bookmark this before your next upload. Save this checklist. You'll need this later. That simple change can dramatically increase saves. But here's the biggest myth about the Shorts algorithm. Posting more doesn't automatically mean growing faster. Consistency is important. Spam isn't. Uploading 5-week shorts every day won't outperform one amazing short. Every upload teaches YouTube something about your audience. If your content keeps changing topics, styles, and viewers, the algorithm gets confused. One day gaming, next day football, then cooking, then motivation. YouTube struggles to identify who should receive your videos. The clearer your niche, the easier the recommendation system works. Think of YouTube as building a profile. It wants confidence. This creator makes videos for these people. Give it that confidence consistently. Now let's put everything together. Every viral short follows the same invisible chain. First, stop the scroll. Second, keep viewers watching. Third, encourage rewatches. Fourth, generate saves and shares. Finally, repeat this process consistently within the same niche. Notice what's missing? Subscribers, follower count, expensive cameras. None of those determine whether a short gets recommended. Your audience's behavior does. So the next time one of your shorts flops, don't immediately blame the algorithm. Ask yourself, did people stop scrolling? Did they watch until the end? Did they replay it? Did they save it? Did they share it? Those answers reveal exactly why the video performed the way it did. The Shorts algorithm isn't mysterious. It's simply a machine that follows human behavior. Master human attention, and the algorithm follows automatically. If you start creating shorts with that mindset, you'll stop chasing the algorithm and start giving it exactly what it's looking for.